Hello, my name is Temmie, and I am a Roblox game creator. Well, I kind of like say that I'm kind of like that. But over the years, I've made many different games that are just all pretty high quality. Well, obviously, the more I scroll down, the more lower quality it gets. But these upper games up here seem to be like a lot more better. And like, this is a good game. This is a good game. I think I'm a pretty good game developer. But I always have a hard time like I get really demotivated easily. So what we're going to do today is we're just going to start with a very basic game as a devlog. A very simple devlog just to teach maybe some people how to do the basics of whatever they would like. So today we're just going to be making a clicker game. Just a clicking simulator. You click and it'll give you clicks and then you can buy stuff with it. So first we have to obviously publish the game. So name it clicker. No. Temmie's Clicker Simulator. Click as the description. It's obviously made by V. VR people will not play this game, and no other people are working on it. Okay, so we have created the game, and I'm an R6 person, so I'm gonna create it into R6. But you can choose this however you would like. This is like the player's like avatar type. So first, what we're gonna do is try to detect how the player clicks, obviously. So we're going to put a local script in starter GUI because every single player has their own starter GUI, which is called player GUI. So this will be click script. This is going to detect how the player clicks. So first we're going to get the player, obviously. So player equals game.players.local player. So that just gives you the player. Very simple. And then local mouse equal player get mouse. This is just going to get the player's mouse. So how we detect that the mouse's button is down, we do mouse dot button down, button 1 down, connect function. So whenever the player's mouse button goes down, it will run this. So we're going to test it by saying print button down. So the button is, so we're going to play and see if this works. Button down. See? It works right here. This is the output, by the way. It'll just you can find errors here, or you can use it to test your script. So now we have to somehow make a value so whenever you click it will go up. So we're going to test it by first going right here, print local value equals 0. So we're going to value equal value plus 1. This is saying the value is the current value plus another, or you can say this in a more simpler way, value plus equal 1. But I'm gonna keep it like the top one, just so you can have a better understanding. So I'm gonna print value. So this value should go up every single time we click, and it should say button down in between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But there's no way to like access this from anywhere else. So what we're gonna do is, instead of it being like a local value, you're gonna make it like a boolean value, an object that's on the server. So what we're going to do is create a server script that will go in server script service. And what we're going to do is add a leader stats to a player, which will end up on the player's leaderboard. So you can see everyone's player's thing, everyone's clicks. So we're going to get the players, local players equal game get service players. This will just get the player's service. So players.player added connect function player. So this will run every single time a player joins the game, and it will give you the player that has joined the game. So what I'm going to do is local leader stats equal instance.new folder player. So this will just add a folder into our player object, and then we're obviously going to name the leader stats to leader stats. It must be named leader stats, or it will not show up on the leaderboard. I don't know why that is, but just know that. And now we're going to add a value to it. So local clicks equal instance.new number value leader stats. Clicks.name equal clicks. So this, I'll show you what this does. Every time a player joins the game, this will appear here. So there will be a clicks for each player that is in the game. And we can make this go up by using remote events. So we're going to add a remote event to replicated storage. Replicated storage is just where everything can be stored, basically. It's very simple. Just things that are not in the workspace will be stored here. So this will be called get clicks. So what we're going to do is fire this remote. Basically, remote events will send something from the client to the server, and you can do it the other way around too. So we're going to do it like this. Game.replicate storage, wait for child, get clicks, fire server. So this is going to fire it. Then we're going to go to the server script and go game.replicate storage, wait for child, get clicks dot on server event, connect function player. So every time this is run, this will also be ran. So no, every single time this is fired, this will be ran. And it does give you the player for whoever it's fired from. So what we're going to do with this is player dot leader stats dot clicks dot value plus equal 1. And as I told you before, plus equal 1 is just this plus itself adding another one to it. And we're doing leader stats as from right here, and then clicks as from right here. So this should change the value in our leaderboard every single time we click. Yes, it does work. So now we have created a basic clicker game that does not save yet. We will add on to that. I don't think we will be doing that in this devlog because that's like really frustrating. This is just supposed to be a simple click game that is just easy to script and not too hard. So we just have these clicks right here, and that's all we're going to do for today's devlog. I hope you guys have a good day, and today is Thanksgiving, by the way, so I hope you had a good Thanksgiving. And this is my first devlog, so I hope you guys like it. Bye.